Bhutan country of South Central Asia, located on the eastern ridges of the Himalayas. Historically a remote kingdom, Bhutan became less island in the second half of 20th century, and consequently the pace of change began to accelerate, with improvement in transportations by the early 21st century. A trip from the India border to the Bhutanese capital, Thimphu, that one took 6 days by meals, could be made in just a few hours by car along a winding mountain road from the border to of Pont Sholing. The governmental structures also changed radically. Reforms initiated by King James Borji Vanchek in the 1952 and 62 led to a shift away from absolute monarchy in the 1990s and toward the institutions of multi-party parliamentary democracy in 2008. The economic core of Bhutan lies in the fertile valleys of the Lizards Himalayas, which are separated from one another by a series of high and complex interconnected ridges extending across the country from north to south. The political nucleus of Bhutan is centered in the Paro and Thimphu valleys in the Lizards Himalayan region. Its location between the Assam-Bengal plain of India to the south and the plateau of Tibet of southwestern China to the north gives the country considerable geopolitical significance. Land. Bhutanese northern and western boundary with the Tibet autonomous regions are thought and defined gently flows the crest of the Great Himalayas. In the Duras Plain to the south of the Himalayan range lies Bhutan boundary with the Indian states of West Bengal and Assam. Bhutan borders the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh to the east and Sikkim to the southwest. Physically, Bhutan may be divided into 3 regions from north to south: the Great Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas, and the Duras Plain. Bhutan's climate is perhaps more diverse than that of any other similarly sized areas in the world. The climate change with elevations producing striking meteorological contrast and different exposures to the sunlight and moisture-laden winds result in complex local variations. 3 principal climatic regions can be distinguished: the hot, humid subtropical tract of the Duras Plain and its adjacent foothills, the cooler region of the Lesser Himalayas, and the alpine tundra region of the Great Himalayas. About 3/4 of Bhutan's population follows Buddhism's primary of the Tibetan variety, formerly the officially state region. It is now described in the 2008 Constitution as the spiritual heritage of the country. Of the 4 major branches of Tibetan Buddhism, Nyingma and Kagyo are participated in Bhutan.